Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. We're going to discuss the Geography tab on the left-hand side of the INCC. Select the Geography tab, and today I'm going to use our business unit, but if you'd like to switch to a different business unit, you can select this in the drop-down menu. Now you will see unique icons for each of the different models of subscriber we have. RF Fire, for Fire IP only, Berg, Berg IP only, hybrid IP link, unknown, non-AES, and inactive. If you want to display inactive units, you can, or if you want to mask them, you can uncheck this box here. If you'd like to look at all the subscribers with faults on your network, you can select the faults icon. This will allow you to see all of the faults, all of the accounts on your network that have faults. So we can select this icon, this fire icon here, and you'll see it has a netcon fault. Let's see if we can find one that doesn't have a netcon fault. So we have another netcon fault. If you click on the little circles with a number in them or zoom in closer, you will see the additional accounts. We have a fire radio with a battery issue. And if you select the drop-down menu here, you'll see the actual text of the fault that it's experiencing. So if we select the Berg icon, you'll see there's 2 faults and then a battery fault. And then we have 103 fire faults, which appear to mostly be netcon faults. Oh, there's one with 2 faults, an AC fault, but mostly netcon faults. Now, if you want to see the actual path of the radios, you can hit the routes icon. And this will show you the radio path. Also, if you select this icon, you can see all of the different accounts that your radio is routed through. The next button is the link layer button. If you select the link layer button, it'll allow you to sort by what radios are on which link layer. So we'll see we have link layer 1 radios, link layer 2 radios, link layer 3 radios, and we do have, let's see, all the link layer 5 and 6 radios out there. So we have a couple of link layer 5 and 6 radios out there. Next is our dependency option. We'll select the dependency option and then select IP link, and you can see all of our IP links, and then this is below 50. The icons will change if it gets into higher levels. And then you can add the subscribers, but as you can see, all of those are below 25 subscribers, dependent on the other subscriber. Now, if you want to access any of the old features from Google Earth, what you can do is you can download the KLM file, and this will allow you to open up your network like you have been able to in the past using Google Earth. Additionally, you can expand the screen to take up the entire screen. Let's go back to all of our accounts. And you can also get a list of any invalid addresses. So if you select this warning icon, you will get a list of addresses that were not able to have their latitude and longitude configured. So you can go through and open those up. I believe most of ours are just addresses that were never entered yet. You can see all the addresses are blank, which is why they do not have icons. Whoa. There is also the satellite view, if you'd prefer that view. And let's go ahead and display the routes. I always like to see all the radio routes. that's all the topics I had to discuss today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below or contact us at support. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day.